What if you could design a product in 10 minutes, never pay for manufacturing, and sell it an infinite number of times? Welcome to the digital product empire. Welcome back to DataVinex. If you want a side hustle with zero client meetings and 100% profit margins, you are in the right place. Today, we are focusing on tool number 2 from our master blueprint, Microsoft Designer. Instead of doing graphic design work for local businesses, we are going to use this free AI to create high-demand digital templates like fitness planners and daily organization checklists and sell them on autopilot. If you are ready to build a digital asset that prints money while you sleep, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Step 1. Selecting the high-converting niche. You have to sell what people are actively searching for. The health, productivity, and organization niches are massive. We are going to create a highly aesthetic 5-day gym split tracker and a weekly meal prep planner. People are obsessed with optimizing their routines, and they will easily pay 200 rupee to 500 rupees for a beautifully designed, printable PDF that solves their organizational problems. Step 2. Designing with AI. Open Google Chrome and head over to Microsoft Designer. It is completely free. You don't need any Photoshop experience. Go to the prompt box and act as the art director. Type a clean, minimalist 5-day workout tracker, modern typography, black and white aesthetic, highly organized layout. The AI will generate several professional templates in seconds. You can click on the design to customize the text, move the layout around, and add sections for tracking reps, sets, and cardio. Once it looks perfect, hit download and save it as a high-quality PDF directly to your Mac or Windows PC. Step 3. Setting up the automated store. Now we need a place to sell it where you don't have to manage the transactions. Go to Gumroad.com and create a free creator profile. Gumroad is the ultimate platform for selling digital files. Click New Product, upload your PDF, and set your price at 250 rupees. When a customer buys it, Gumroad automatically handles the payment and instantly emails them the secure download link. You do absolutely nothing. Your only job is to upload the product. Step 4. Driving the traffic. To get eyes on your Gumroad link, you use YouTube Shorts and Pinterest. Take a quick screen recording of your template using your MacBook. Post it as a YouTube short with a trending audio track and text that says, "How I organize my 5-day gym split." In the pinned comment, put your Gumroad link. Pinterest operates the same way. Upload an image of your planner, link it to your store, and let the visual search engine drive free, passive traffic to your product every single day. Outro and call to action. Once your store is set up, it requires zero maintenance. You can use Microsoft Designer to launch a new template every single day, building a massive catalog of passive income streams. If you are going to launch your first digital product today, comment digital down below. Click the video on your screen to watch the rest of our free AI money making series, and I will see you next time on DataVinex.